Are you drowning in debt? Feeling overwhelmed by the weight of unpaid bills? Bankruptcy might be a lifeline to financial freedom. While seeking legal counsel is always recommended, it's possible to navigate the Chapter 7 process online, saving you time and money. Here's a detailed guide to help you confidently embark on this journey. Bankruptcy is a federal law that allows individuals to eliminate most types of unsecured debt, such as credit card debt, medical bills, and personal loans. In a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, a trustee is appointed to liquidate your non-exempt assets to pay off creditors. However, many assets, including your home, car, and personal belongings, are protected by exemptions. Why consider online filing? Cost-effective. Online filing eliminates the need for attorney fees, significantly reducing the overall cost of bankruptcy. Convenience. You can complete the process at your own pace from the comfort of your home. Privacy. Online filing allows you to handle sensitive financial information discreetly. Steps to online Chapter 7. Determine if you meet the income eligibility requirements for Chapter 7. Evaluate your assets and liabilities to understand the potential impact of bankruptcy. Mandatory credit counseling. Complete a credit counseling course approved by the U.S. Trustee Program. This course will provide you with valuable information about your financial situation and budgeting strategies. Gather required documents. Assemble essential financial documents, including tax returns, pay stubs, bank statements, credit card statements, mortgage statements, vehicle titles, leases. Choose an online bankruptcy filing service. Research reputable online services that offer user-friendly platforms and guidance. Consider factors like fees, customer support, and success rates. Complete bankruptcy forms. The online service will provide you with pre-filled forms that you can review and edit. Pay close attention to details, as errors can lead to delays or complications. E-file your bankruptcy petition. Submit your completed forms electronically through the online service. Pay the required filing fee online. Attend the 341st meeting of creditors. This mandatory meeting is typically conducted via video conference. Be prepared to answer questions from the bankruptcy trustee and creditors. Post-bankruptcy steps. Complete a financial management course as required by law. Maintain accurate financial records and rebuild your credit responsibly. Important considerations. Complexity of bankruptcy laws. While online filing simplifies the process, bankruptcy laws can be complex. It's crucial to understand the implications of filing for bankruptcy. Potential pitfalls. Mistakes in your paperwork or failure to comply with court deadlines can have serious consequences. Limited legal advice. Online services cannot provide personalized legal advice. If you have complex financial situations or legal questions, consulting with a bankruptcy attorney is advisable. Filing for Chapter 7. Bankruptcy online can be a viable option for individuals seeking a fresh financial start. By carefully following the steps outlined above and seeking guidance when needed, you can successfully navigate the process and emerge from debt with a renewed sense of hope. Remember, while online filing offers convenience and cost-effectiveness, it's essential to approach bankruptcy with a clear understanding of your rights and responsibilities.